Hello everyone, welcome back to a new episode of Tech Infosys. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can download your Trust Wallet application on your Android device. Keep watching the video till the end. To download your Trust Wallet application on your Android device, firstly go ahead and launch open your Play Store. Before starting the downloading process, let me tell you something about the Trust Wallet application. Trust Wallet is a popular mobile cryptocurrency wallet application that lets you store, send, receive, buy, and swap the crypto assets securely. It's widely used by the beginners and experienced crypto users. Trust Wallet is a non-custodial wallet application. That means you can control your private keys and funds, not a company or exchange. It is the official wallet of Binance, but it works independently. Now, to download your application on your Android device, once you open your Play Store, the home page of Play Store will appear on the screen. On the search box at the top, type in Trust Wallet and make a search. You're going to see the search results displayed on the screen. Tap on the Trust Wallet application or simply click on Install button just next to the application to start the downloading process. While downloading an application, make sure that you are connected to a strong internet. Once the application is downloaded, tap on Open button to launch the application. Once you open the application, the home page of Trust Wallet application will appear on the screen. This is how you can download your Trust Wallet application on your Android device quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for further updates. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Feel free to comment down any suggestions or improvements to be made to our channel by commenting on the comment box. Also, don't forget to press the bell icon to receive further updates and information about the uploads in Tech Infosys. We will be looking forward to upload more contents and tutorials for your convenience. Thank you so much for watching.